Hi, this is Satish here from Motofocusz. We have a all new Fortuner here for the projectors upgrade, and this comes with bi-LED stock projectors by default, and we are swapping it to bi-LED laser projectors. This product is from FE Retrofit called Sky-Fi, and we have already installed bi-LED fog projectors in this car, but this is not adequate for rainy drivings and regular drivings, so the customer willing to upgrade his headlight as well. So now we have removed the headlights completely, and we have removed the existing bi-LED projectors, and we are going to install these projectors in it. And we have done one side, and this side is completed. And when you try to do stock projector replacement, any Toyota cars will show error, and we have a separate error canceller for this product, particularly that is made for Toyota. This will not affect any of your warranty, and everything is completely made for Toyota, and we completely use error cancellers, everything inside the headlights, and we don't cut or tamper anything from car. So come, let us go and check the performance of this product, as well as how it aesthetically looks and how it aesthetically changes the appearance of the car after the upgrade. Thank you.